The story continues as we cruise through British Columbia. Today's been a long day, but so far a successful day. The Beast continues to run well. We left Ferndale, Washington, just south of the border at about 8:15 this morning and crossed the border at 9 o'clock. And now well, you probably couldn't see that, but it says it's 5:56. We're on Highway 97, about an hour and a half south of Prince George. And while doing some routine maintenance on the Beast in Ferndale, I fixed a vital component. The component that was fixed? The air horn. Bonnie thinks I'm crazy because I have too much fun with the air horn. So the journey continues. We're going to wrap it up in Prince George tonight. And there'll be another video update, I'm sure. Goodbye.